Ettore Taito was an Italian painter born on December 18, 1859, in Castelmar di Stabia, near Naples. He is known for his exceptional talent in portraiture and genre paintings, capturing the essence of his subjects with remarkable skill and sensitivity. Taito's work often depicts scenes from everyday life, highlight the beauty of ordinary moments. Taito's interest in art was apparent from an early age. Recognizing his talent, his family encouraged him to pursue his passion, and he enrolled at the Nepal's Academy of Fine Arts. Under the guidance of influential instructors, he honed his skill and developed a deep understanding of classical techniques and stunts. After completing his studies, Taito moved to Venice, a city renowned for his artistic heritage, the rich history and vibrant atmosphere of Venice inspired him and became a permanent theme in many of his work. Taito's paintings captured the picturesque canals, the grand architectures, and the lively street scenes of the city, showcasing his ability to portray light and atmosphere. Throughout his career, Taito achieved great success and received numerous accolades of his art. He exhibited his work in major Italian cities and participated in international exhibitions, gaining recognition and acclaim. His paintings resonated with viewers who were captivated by his ability to convey emotion and evoke a sense of nostalgia. One of Taito's most notable accomplishment was his appointment as a professor at the Venice Academy of Fine Arts. He became an influential figure in the artistic community, sharing his knowledge and nurturing the talents of aspiring artists. Taito's dedication to techniques allowed him to leave a lasting impact on generation of painters. Taito's artistic style evolved over time. In his early work, he displayed a preference for realism, capturing the details of his subjects with precision. However, he later embraced a more impressionistic approach, incorporating loose brushwork and a vibrant color palette. This shift in style allowed him to create a scene of movement and atmosphere in his paintings. Despite his success and recognition, Taito remained a modest and down to earth individual. He valued his privacy and focused primarily on his art rather than seeking fame of routine. Taito's devotion to his craft was evident in the meticulence of his work and the passion with which he approached each painting. Ettore Taito's legacy endures through his paintings, which counting to captivate art enthusiastic around the world. His ability to capture the human spirit and portray and beauty of everyday life remains a testament to his skill and artistic vision. Taito's contribution to the art world have solidified his place as one of Italy's most revered painters, and his works serve as an inspiration